Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As the Vice Rector for Research of the VUB, Free University of Brussels, it's indeed my pleasure to welcome you to this second day of the Circle 2023 conference. And I understand it may seem a bit strange to open a conference on its second day. But one reason for that is one reason that I wasn't with you at the start of the symposium yesterday is that, as you heard, I guess, yesterday was an official and a unique holiday celebrated only at the Free University of Brussels. We have our own unique holiday. There's only one here. And this is because it's our day to celebrate and to remember Pierre Theodore Verhagen, the early 19th century founder of this university. And he was quite a phenomenal man. And you will be pleased to hear that he was a lawyer, and a very smart and progressive one at that. And his vision was to set up the Free University of Brussels as an antidote to the then prevalent religious and church-dominated education and research of the day. And in his speech in 1834, arguing for the foundation of our university, Verhagen said that it was an act of resistance against, and I quote, the hydra, the multi-headed dragon of fanaticism. And at the end of his life, his civic funeral, so non-religious funeral, caused a huge scandal at that time in Belgium. But it was a decisive moment for the social emancipation of non-Catholic and non-religious people. Since Verhagen, the Free University of Brussels, which by now exists in a Dutch and in a French-speaking version, has continued this tradition of smart, progressive lawyers who are actively engaged in the societal problems of the day and who resist any form of oppression. And after looking through the list of papers for your symposium and conference, I'm convinced that this conference occupies a worthy place in this tradition. And with all the doubts and fears over artificial intelligence and the fight for control that we have seen over open API of the last open AI, sorry. There are APIs to OpenAI. I'm sure you will find all kinds of solutions for that. That we have seen in the last few days, I think no one will dispute that one of the main contemporary issues lies in the intersection between law and digital technology. And it's in this field that our research group LSTS, Law, Science, Technology and Society Studies, is pushing the boundaries of knowledge. And with not one, but 2 ERC grants, the center is a major research hub on data protection, AI, and the preservation of fundamental rights and legal protection by design. And you have no doubt by now already heard of the ERC Advanced Grant Project Cubicle, now entering its final year. Cubicle, as I understand, stands for Counting as a Human Being in the Era of Computational Law. It's a fine example of this university's commitment to interdisciplinarity, because it's a collaboration between lawyers from the VUB and computer scientists from Radboud University in the Netherlands. Not coincidentally, the 2 institutions where Professor Hildebrand, the PI of this project, holds a research chair. And I have to say that this Cubicle project has already delivered more than we anticipated. One result is a typology of legal technologies, an online web tool for assessing functionalities, limitations, and reliability of legal tech. Another is a new Diamond Open Access journal, Circle, that attempts to foster real academic conversation by publishing challenging papers with cross-disciplinary replies. And Cubicle's commitment goes beyond such achievements. It has also launched a new conference. And here we are today at Circle 2023, building on the success of the previous one last year. I understand that yesterday the future of computational law was discussed in a fascinating way, I've been told, by a number of thought leaders on the subject. And today you will delve into the papers accepted for the conference, with a cross-disciplinary reply by experts in order to stimulate curiosity and debate. Also, a keynote and a round table are foreseen with an impressive lineup of speakers whose insights promise to be invaluable for shaping the path forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for being here today and to contribute to the discussions and insights that this day will bring. Let's continue to push the boundaries of knowledge and seek innovative, sustainable solutions for the challenges of today. I'm sure our founder, Pieter Verhagen, would approve. Thank you very much.